Alright guys, so I brought one of those Chinkinese heaters. There's plenty of video, unboxing videos, what it is. I'm just doing its initial test right now. So, sorry about that. I'm just doing an initial test right now. Okay, so I got an error. I don't know what that error is, but I'll get this figured out in a second. Okay guys, so we got her figured out. Basically fuel hasn't got to it yet, so I just turned it back on. This is like the 4th time priming. But as you see, we're just jerry-rigged with my own hose. And I'm going through initial test. Okay guys, so fuel's just running in there now. Oh yeah,
there it is.
There it is. Yep, she's getting fuel now. Nice. Look, mine's pretty Ford blue. Isn't that hilarious? She's still cool.
The exhaust is watching because it's fine smoke getting through your exhaust.
Oh yeah, it will. I'm starting to smell it there.
Jesus.
That's that fan kicking up.
Nice.
Come on, baby, you can do it. Do 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 do. Oh, she's blowing now, eh? It's getting warmer. Still getting a couple air bubbles out. Oh yeah, she's warm. We know she works. Okay guys, so we're doing a little test on this Chinkinese heater. It is 8:15 in the morning. And I just filled 20 liters in that can. I've got it set to its maximum setting, right? And we're gonna see how long 20 liters runs for. And I'm not turning on the heat, the radiant heat, so we're gonna also test. This shop leaks like a sieve. It's ridiculous how much air this place leaks. That's why the gas is so expensive to heat this place. But anyway, we're gonna find out, just as it's sitting, just jerry-rigged sitting up there, but we're gonna find out if it'll warm this place up. Right now, it is basically -1 Celsius outside, and it was 5.6 degrees in here, because I fired the heater up, and then went and filled 20 liters and swapped cans, because that other can over there, that's just got a little bit of diesel in it. So I put diesel in that can, and we're gonna find out how warm it'll get in here, because this is a pretty large shop, right buddy? So it is a pretty large shop, high ceilings, but yeah, so we'll find out if it gets this place warm at all. And I do have a fan, I probably can't see, there's a fan going right up there to blow air down, so hopefully the heat that rises comes down. What? Anyway, throw a light on. It's still chilly in here, so you can't really see the fan. But, yep. Alright, you want to go out? There. He'll be back. Okay, guys, so, yeah, we're going to let that run for 20 liters. And see how long it goes. And how much warmth it'll put in this shop. I'm not guessing a lot because of the leaks in this place, but yeah, we'll try it anyway. Cheers. Okay guys, so you're back at the shop, and it is, give me a second here, it is 20 after 8 the next morning. So this thing's been running for 24 hours solid on high, and we're gonna see how much fuel it's used. I know you can't really tell because you can, but if we shine light in behind it, I'm gonna say we've gone through half a can, because it did only come up to about here, right? That's where the 20 liter line is, so it's gone through about 10 liters in 24 hours straight on high. The pump's just a ticking. I don't know if you can hear that. So I'm gonna call that 20, exactly 20 liters will probably take 48 hours. Actually, it's probably used less than 10 liters because of the cutoff there, and then the indents here, so it'd probably run for about 24, 28 hours straight on a can. So let's see what temperature it is in here. Now it is at 0 degrees outside, and it's only 8.4 in here. But the thing I notice is it's taken the dampness out, you know? It doesn't feel cold in here because the dampness is gone. So, but I've got another idea for this thing. Cheers.